You're most welcome to Casa Mespilea. Let's go in. So, this home, because we call it home, and we call it Casa Mespilea, it was built during 1890. The grandfather of my grandfather and my three aunties, Agni, Olvia, and Evie, he built it during 1890. Since then was the family living here. They were having very nice times, and especially it was the Cypriot family living here, the Cypriot hospitality, that I wanted to go on with it till now. During 2019, we decided with my husband that he's an architect, and of course the house was abandoned that days, to cut it in 14 pieces. So we made 14 rooms for our guests, and a small bistro, which is our garden. That garden is about 400 square meters, and it is for the people living in and for the people of Cyprus, Paphos, and around the world. This is a home of the world. We call it home because all the people that they come here, we want them to feel like home. It's not a hotel, it's not a guest house, it's a home. Everybody that lives here has a key, and this is his house, everybody that lives here. All the people that they visit us, according to the bistro, they have the chance to eat the specialities of our family, the specialities of Paphos, the specialities of Cyprus, but with a twist, as we call it, fusion. So we are very proud of it. We are very proud of the architecture that is still the same, that my husband as an architect respected, and he showed it. All the people, they admire it, and of course the cuisine, the gastronomy that we offer to all the people. Our project is fresh products and Cypriot products, and of course we are cooperating mostly with young people that they've gone back to the roots. They are working with honey, they are working with wine, they are working with vegetables, with fruits. So all this is the project of our gastronomy and the project of Casa Mespilea. By the way, Mespilea in Greek is Mespilon. Mespilon is loquat, and we call it because the tree loquat was planted by my grandfather more than 100 years ago. You're all welcome to us. We are very happy seeing you, and we are very glad to meet the people of the world, because this is the house of the world and this is the Cyprus hospitality. Thank you very much.